Safety first. Turn off the main power at your circuit breaker. Let's get started. First, the blades. Align the slots and don't forget the washers. Insert all screws loosely before tightening. Avoid locking the first screw down right away, otherwise you might struggle to align the remaining holes. Repeat this process for all blades until they are firmly attached. Next, remove the 3 pre-installed screws from the motor. Connect the light kit wire plugs together. Align the light kit and secure it with the screws you just removed. Then, twist the shade to lock it in place. Now for the downrod. Remove the pre-installed pin and clip. Feed the motor wires through the downrod. Insert the downrod and align the holes. Insert the pin and secure it with the R-clip. Then, tighten the set screws to prevent wobbling. Slide on the covers, noting the canopy direction. The hanger ball is pre-installed. Remove it only if changing the rod. Reinsert the pin and tighten the ball firmly. Connect the motor wires to the receiver. Just match the wire bundles. Lift and hang the fan. Rotate it until it locks into the groove. Tighten all green wires to prevent flickering. Then match the inputs, black to black, white to white. Neatly tuck the wires and slide in the receiver. Slide the canopy up to conceal the wires. Align the holes and tighten the screws. Installation complete. Use the remote to control the light and fan speed. Enjoy your Green Ever fan.